It's not just oil that's rallying. Commodities pretty much across the board have seen a strong comeback. And as Deirdre Bosa tells us, there's one commodity in particular that might fuel the bull case for stocks.
From crude to copper, commodities are back. It may not be for a long time, but it's been a good time so far. Oil has jumped nearly 40% since mid-January. Gold is at its highest level in a year. Copper is back above $5,000 a ton, and iron ore has not just joined the party, but spiked the punch, having recorded its best day gain ever. The recovery is being driven by optimism that the worst may be behind the oil price rout, China's willingness to do what it takes to support economic growth in the world's second largest economy, and weakness in the U.S. dollar. Some think the comeback is just getting started.
Where do we go from here? Higher. We go higher from here.
But others wonder if it's a little bit too early to be celebrating.
I still think it has a short life. This is not where the leadership is in the market. It's not in commodities. China is slowing down. It's not growing. So I think when you just look at the commodity space, it's going to be in a trading range and could wind up being in a trading range, not just for quarters, but could wind up being for years.
The key to the comeback may be Dr. Copper, as it's referred to in industry lingo. The base metal earned its PhD for its ability to predict economic trends because of its widespread application in most sectors of the economy.
I don't think the rally in copper is telling us we're having a strong global economy ahead. What I will give you, though, is that maybe the excessive doom and gloom we had priced in before was a little excessive. What it's really telling us is that China has reaffirmed that it's all in, ECB is all in, and there's also somewhat tight supplies in copper, too.
If history is any guide, copper's big gains last week may be a bullish signal for equities, which have also been rebounding over the last few weeks. Data from Kensho shows that 1 month after such a rally, the Dow Industrials has climbed higher 90% of the time, and the S&P 500 80% of the time. Oil has also reliably rebounded, returning more than 5% on average. But interestingly enough, copper itself does not typically continue to rally. So the doctor's diagnosis may just be a short-term reprieve. History is less clear on whether the global markets and economy is truly on the mend. For Nightly Business Report, Deirdre Bosa in Vancouver, Canada.